Inspect your tiny house septic system at the start of each season to catch problems early and keep the system functioning reliably. For a quarterly checklist, start by inspecting alarm systems and testing float switches by triggering them manually to confirm they signal correctly. If alarms are battery-powered, replace batteries once a year and record the change. Check risers and access lids for tight seals and secure fastenings. Remove any debris and ensure lids are seated to prevent surface water intrusion. Run a dye test after heavy use periods to detect slow drainage or hidden leaks by flushing a cup of food coloring and watching the drain field for discoloration over 24 to 48 hours. For annual maintenance, schedule a professional pump out based on actual household usage and measured scum and sludge depths rather than a fixed interval. More frequent pump-outs are common for very small drain fields or high use. Before winter, insulate any exposed effluent or supply lines with closed cell foam wrap and add heat tape where local code allows to prevent freezing and reduce water use during extreme cold to lower flow through vulnerable sections. After major storms, inspect the drain field for surfacing effluent and soggy spots, mark and restrict access to those areas, and log the condition and any corrective actions in a maintenance journal so patterns are visible over time. Homeowners commonly ignore alarm batteries until failure, which causes unnoticed high water conditions, so replace batteries proactively each year and test alerts monthly. Another frequent issue is using too much water or high moisture appliances which overload the tiny system, so spread laundry and dishwashing over several days and consider low-flow fixtures to balance hydraulic load. People also skip pre-winter steps and suffer frozen pipes or damaged lines, so insulate exposed piping, install approved heat tape where needed, and reduce flows before and during cold snaps to keep the system liquid. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around practical projects like tiny house septic care, and our site helps people find local professionals for pump-outs, inspections, and repairs. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, schedules, and real-world experiences so we all learn better maintenance practices.